All right, on crime scene location. If anybody knows this spot, this is where Gabby, Potito, and Brian Laundry parked their van, and they headed across this creek. And that stupid piece of shit took that poor girl's life, trying to find a way to that spot wherever it's at and do a song for her. May have to do it here. I gotta get my car back over here and figured I'd scout the spot today on the bike. This is where they were at. I'm pretty sure this is the spot. Somebody made a cross here. Seen this road on videos. Took me a little while to find. It wasn't too bad. Pretty sure this is the spot. The river's pretty thick. Get across to that spot. I have to go back and look at some aerial footage from the news. Figure out where it's at. But it's got to be out that way to the left, about a quarter mile. God bless you, Gabby, Brian. It's an example for everybody in this world. Two young lovers. And people can't control their anger or act right. And stupid. God bless you guys. We love you.